Hey, Max here with a coronavirus special. We got our toilet paper, we got our canned food and whatnot. Now what are we gonna do with that? Because we're trying to isolate ourselves from the coronavirus, we have a lot of meals here that we just took the ingredients right out of our pantry. Let's get down to business. We're gonna make some chicken spaghetti. So for our ingredients, we have cream of mushroom soup, chicken, Velveeta cheese, spaghetti, peas, chicken broth, mushrooms, diced tomatoes with green peppers and onion. Let's get down to it. And we're using hidden veggie spaghetti, so we have even more servings of vegetables in this meal. And about the peas and mushrooms, those are not necessary, it's just because we like them. If your family does not like peas and mushrooms, you can take them out. We have the water going on to boil, and we just put everything in here. The Velveeta, the chicken, the tomatoes and green chilies, or you can use Rotel stuff, either way. You just throw it all in there and let's mix it around. Get it hot. – 14 to 16 ounces of chicken stock broth stuff. Just taking a while. Stir and heat until it's blended together well. Now we're just going to put the sauce into the noodles and throw this in a casserole pan and throw it in the oven. A good thing about this recipe is it fills 2 casserole pans, so you can have one now and you can have one later when you don't have a lot of food or time. Throw one of them in the oven at 375 and the other we're going to toss in the freezer. This will be in here for 45 to 60 minutes. And at the same time, the pasta's done. Let's dig into this too. It's really good, creamy, cheesy, and also it has a kick. It's not very big, but for some people that may surprise them. And I love spicy food, so time. Now we're making a salmon couscous salad. So for our ingredients, we have lemon, parsley, salmon, asparagus, couscous water, olive oil, mustard, white wine vinegar, and sun-dried tomatoes. Let's do it. The couscous, we got salt, butter, and equal parts couscous and water. Let's get this done. The water is boiling, so we just add some salt in there. Butter, then the butter and the couscous, and then we kill the heat. Die heat. While the couscous is absorbing the water, we're gonna add the salmon, sun-dried tomatoes, asparagus, parsley, and some lemon. Let's get down to that. You can only get one at a time. And let's mix this baby up. And pepper to taste. Yeah, that's how much pepper you add. Don't forget the lemon, like me. You can use lemon crystals or anything, but because we have a fresh lemon at hand, we're going to use it. Now for the thing that's going to pull this dish together, we're going to make the dressing. 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and some mustard. We have our bed of couscous laid out. We're gonna put the salmon mixture and then cover it with the dressing. And to top it all off, this is pretty much a no-cook recipe. The only thing you have to do is heat the water, and you can do that with a microwave. Alright, let's eat. Take that, coronavirus. Craving some Mexican or some enchiladas? Well, we have a recipe for you. So for the enchiladas, we have chicken, enchilada sauce, cream cheese, cream of mushroom soup, green chilies diced, sour cream, and some cheese. We're using store-bought cheese, but if you want, you can use shelf-stable cheese, such as this dehydrated cheese. Instead of normal enchiladas, this is an enchilada casserole, so we're just putting it bite-sized pieces, and it'll be dispersed throughout the casserole. We're using a pizza cutter to make this more efficient, or kitchen scissors like I'm doing now. Now making the filling, we're gonna add everything except the enchilada sauce and the cream of mushroom soup. So around 2 cups of cheese, the sour cream. This might take a lot, there's some stuff. And let's hope all of these can fit in there. We're mixing this together, then we're gonna throw in those tortillas and we're gonna put it in a casserole pan, and it's gonna be good. Hurricane tortilla. Now we're gonna mix the enchilada sauce and the cream of mushroom soup, cover it with that, and then top it with some more cheese, because you can never get enough cheese. Albert Einstein said that. Fact. Or fake news, you pick. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees and see you in about 30 to 35 minutes. He's heavy. Enchiladas. Let's dig in. We got our enchiladas here, let's try it out. So good, I love it. I need more. You guys can have some later. Makes me want to melt. On a final note, I just want you guys to remember that the coronavirus is a real disease and it is killing a lot of people and it is very infective. This is no flu. I really hope you guys take your precautionary measures and take it literally, because it could be fatal to you. Even if you're young, it could still leave you with problems that could scar you for the rest of your life. On a final note for this special, remember, stay home, take social distance yourself, and a life you save may not be your own, so don't get it. Just stay inside your house, don't get it, please. That'll be bad. Alright, so meet Max. You tried to record that. Alright, No. Alright, so now we're gonna make some salmon chowder. We have some chicken broth that